way they're going to make
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We are pumped up to see the balloons pumped up. This is really one of the very best things that happens all year in New York City. I want to thank everybody at Macy's. You are amazing partners. Jeff, I gotta tell you, you and your team, you do so much for New York City. I want to thank you for that. And this is a labor of love every year. It's such a beautiful thing. So listen, these balloons, just for people to come and see them, pumped up, the families come out, kids come out, it's absolutely beautiful. And then the parade itself is one of the best moments of the whole year. And it is also a moment where the whole nation looks to New York City and sees the greatness of all New Yorkers and this place on display. It's a very proud moment every year for New York City. And it's especially proud after what we've been through the last couple of years. It is beautiful to have this parade back full strength. It's going to be a magical, magical moment. The weather is cooperating. I'm knocking on wood. The weather is cooperating for tomorrow. So it's looking good all around. And we have amazing balloons, and every year there's new exciting balloons. And so for everybody, this is going to be something for everyone, literally. And it's going to be safe. You're going to hear from the commissioner in a moment. It's going to be safe because the NYPD is going to be out in force. The plans are fantastic. and we're happy to report everything is going very, very smoothly. It's going to be safe because people have gone out and gotten vaccinated in this city in a way that surpasses almost every place else in the country. It's something to be proud of. And we welcome people. Come out tomorrow, dress warm, be safe, and experience one of the most beautiful things that happens every year in New York City. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is back. It's something to be proud of. It's something to be excited about. And I gotta tell you, Macy's, once again, after 8 years of working, you guys, you are supreme professionals. You do everything the right way, and you love this city. And I gotta tell you, that means so much to all of us. So I wanna thank you on behalf of 8.8 million New Yorkers, Jeff, to you and everybody at Macy's. Once again, job well done. Thank you for all you do for us. It's my great pleasure to introduce the CEO of Macy's, Jeff Gannett.